Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I took the plunge on a no prep drag car. This is actually my first one. Let's do a quick unboxing and let's take a look at the car. All right, there it is. Let's move it out of the way. Here, batteries, and a remote. These things, they always feel so cheap to me. We're not going to be using this. We're going to be using my DX5 Pro. Okay, here are the wiring for the lights. Lights up front. Lights in the rear. Okay. Yeah, I think they did a really nice body. Let's take a look at on this side. I'm charging a battery and we'll take it for a rip and see how the car handles. Okay, well, it did spin out of control. So, but I think that definitely what it's doing is it's locking up the wheels and it's spinning out of control. If I do it, if I'm gentle on the brake, it's not spinning out of control. Launch it, because right now I have gone pretty straight. So as you can see, it still goes out of control. Definitely that's something that everybody's been complaining. What I'll try to do is I'll try to go into the ABS settings and maybe crank it up a little bit more so I don't lock up the wheels. Also, what I've seen is that most people turn down the brake percentage. I'm still in stock brake percentage. There you go. Definitely went more towards the left. Let's warm up the wheels. Let's give it another pass. There we go. didn't go out of control. This will trigger this brake. There you go. That one did go out of control, out of full brake. So definitely it's the same issue everybody's having with the brakes and the car getting out of control. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.